Open the job you want to compress and view its report. Confirm the job contains 6 job checklists and at least 21 assets. Go to Settings and select Configure PDF. In the PDF configuration, click the HTML Settings tab. Locate the Job Report section and enable the Compress Report option. Note that compression only activates when the job has more than 20 assets and more than 5 job checklists. Save the PDF configuration. Preview the job report to verify the compressed layout. Review the generated report, ensuring the assets list appears first, followed by the compact job checklist table. Distribute the compressed job report as needed.